Hello everyone, welcome back to Spara YouTube channel. You know guys, the screen transition effect are effects that appear when you want to switch screen or shift the screen to another screen. For example, like this. But you can easily grant this transition effect in the settings without having to use another application. So now I'm gonna show you how to change page turn effect on Infinix GT10 Pro easily. First, you can long press on home screen until the menu appear and go to setting desktop. And then go to appearance. And now you can click on page turn effect like this. And now you can choose the effect that you want. And I will choose rotate. Okay, you can click. So now let's we try together to look the result. Alright, now you can swipe and the page turn effect will change accordingly. Alright, here's the tutorial on how to change page turn effect on Infinix GT10 Pro, and thank you so much for watching.